Some time ago I made a bath chocolate bar using cocoa butter and shea butter as the skincare ingredient. And then I added some milk powder as an easy to find natural emulsifier, basically an easy alternative for everyone who wants to make these types of bath chocolate or truffle and don't have emulsifiers as such. However, the bath truffle leaves some of the oils floating in the water. So I experimented with some different formulations of recipes, some including baking soda and an emulsifier as well. Today I would like to share how the different chocolate squares, so to speak, dissolve in warm water, so you can see the difference, what I'm talking about. The first one here is the recipe seen in the previous video that I was mentioning. The second one is the recipe that includes baking soda. By the way, baking soda is also a great skincare ingredient because it makes the skin really soft after your bath, so that's a plus. And the third one is another recipe without baking soda. I just made one with brown mica to mimic the brown chocolate color, but it's the same formulation, this third one here. As you can see, this first one has already some oil around it. The second one dissolves pretty well. And the third one has oily streaks as well. So very clearly I'm going to make a batch with this second recipe. Therefore I'm pouring 100 grams of the mixture. That's exactly what will fit in the chocolate mold cavity, so to speak. And this exact recipe is available for my patrons. I am just going to add the fragrance oil now. The first one here is the fragrance called Lemon Pound Cake from Nurture Soap, a nice fragrance. The next one I will add a brown mica to mimic a chocolate type of color here. I'm using a chocolate fragrance oil this time for this other bar here. I usually put these molds into the fridge overnight to fully harden. In the meantime, I will cut the labels that I created using an online program called Canva. Here I'm using the VR Memory Keeper Stream and Scoreboard to help me cut it. Of course, all tools and ingredients that I am using or recommending are linked down in the description if you're interested to check it out. Here I just wanted to show you a small clip of how easy it is to design your own labels with Canva. Like I said, Canva is an online design program that is very easy to use for all kinds of designs like social media posts, flyers, newsletters, planners, t-shirts and so much more. I basically use it for everything. There is a free version and there is also the paid subscription where you get unlimited access to all medias within Canva. You can search for a specific template. For example, let's see what we get if we look for a chocolate label. As you can see here, there is a large variety of customizable mockups that you can work with. Here you can see my different chocolate paper drafts that I already started to create. Of course, you can save all your design within Canva and then organize it and use it. I'm going to share these templates with my patrons inside Canva so they can open their design within Canva and customize a particular label or a particular design in their own language or with their own information and so forth. Here are some examples of how you can change fonts and elements within the program. It is really easy to use and very intuitive, even for people with no previous design experience. I'm not gonna go very much into the details of how to use Canva, but I have other videos that I will link down below if you're interested to see. You can try out the Pro subscription for free using my link in the description, by the way. Meanwhile, it's the next day and the chocolate bars are completely hard and ready. As you can see, they unmold perfectly. I like the look of it. Let's check the chocolate fragranced bar that contains the brown mica. These dark spots here indicate that the mica was not uniformly incorporated. It's just an aesthetic issue, but it shows that a good mix is really important. For packaging, I opt for these cellophane sheets that are also food safe. I just use a sellotape to hold it together. Let's see now how the label looks once wrapped around the chocolate bar. Cute, isn't it? Let's complete the chocolate fragranced version as well. I think this turned out really cool, and I think it would be a great gift idea, don't you think so? If you're interested in other skincare DIY projects, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye!